Evening and welcome back to another Celica video, my 1991 Toyota Celica GT. In this video we're going to pull out the fuel pump and have a look at it, see what it's like. So this car still doesn't run right, and I want to pull the fuel pump out and just see what it's like, just assess its general condition visually, because there's a little filter on the end of it at the bottom, you know, where it sucks the fuel out of the tank. And with the rear seat base missing, it's quite easily accessible. So I'll bring you inside the car and I'll show you what's going on. So as you can see, no rear seat base. Makes access much easier, and this is the cover for the fuel pump. So what I'll do is disconnect this, and then we've got a few screws. There seems to be some missing here, so it looks like somebody's been here before. And yes, I'm using the Alfred's tool there. Actually, I'm going to use these tools in anger. So I just pull these screws out, take the screws out. That's the trouble with project cars like this, is people have been in before. So I've got some more connectors. I don't think anyone's actually taken the pump out of the tank. So I'm not sure whether I want to disturb this, but I'm going to leave it. So it's sometime later, and I thought, sod it, I was just worried about cracking these fuel lines off in case they don't seal again, but somebody once said feel a fear and do it anyway, so let's crack this one off. This looks like a banjo fitting, and it's a 17mm. I think it's going to be socket time on that one. Don't want to round it off with me ratchet spanner. If I could get in, I would, but I have to use a socket. So now I've got my socket. I've got a 6-sided socket on this one, on the 1/2 inch. Now this is budging. Oh, I managed to crack it off. Oh! I managed to spill fuel. Nope, still a bit of pressure in the fuel line. Just put that somewhere safe. I think it's fuel coming out, so see if I can stop that. Yeah, what I did was to just unscrew the fuel cap to let the air, to let air in, and hopefully it should stop fuel coming out. So all I need to do is unscrew the screws on the fuel pump. To show all this. So I'll show you when it's done, when it's ready to come out. I managed to get all the screws out, most of them refused to budge, so I had to resort to the impact driver and my lump hammer. So this fuel pump should be ready for coming out. So we'll have a look at it, because on these get the torch. Just so we just have to finagle it out. And to be honest, I've no way to tell if that's alright or not. Oops, see me spilling fuel out. But one problem is this filter. Oh, that looks to be quite clean, to be honest, so I don't think that was a problem. See, I'm still spilling petrol. And I'll tell you what, I'll bring you in, you can see what the tank looks like. It's been bad for 28 years, it looks to be quite clean. I can't see any obvious problems there. So what I'll do is I'll pull this filter off. I'll give it a clean anyway. Don't think it's a problem. But I'll give it a clean and then put it back in. I mean the pump could well be faulty, but I've no way of telling. Absolutely no way of telling that. So I'll pull this off, give it a clean. Alright, so the fuel pump's buttoned up. There wasn't much I could do. The only real way to be certain is to check the pressure. So what I'll do is I'll just fire it up. Alright, I've got it idling, as you can see. There's no leak, so I don't know what I was so worried about, so I'll get this cover buttoned up and I think we'll have to finish the video here. Now a job I've been meaning to do is to take these off. They were fitted onto the bumper here and here. They're just not right, so I've tested them, they do work, but I think one's got some non-working LED, so I'm just going to have to ditch them. So I thought I'd do that little job while I were here. I'm going to wrap it up for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed this one. I think that fuel pump's probably alright. It's working, so can pretty much eliminate that from the problems why it's not running right. Anyway, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment and ring that bell for notifications. As ever, thanks for watching. And I'll see you.